kitchen is the most important place in our home, a world in itself, where all our dreams come true. We have been a part of this happiness for the last 26 years. Marri Metal Kitchen Factory, LLC, Sharjah, and have installed more than 20,000 plus beautiful kitchens since we have established in 1993. We deal with all kinds of kitchen and wardrobe, besides manufacturing and installation, with our special Italian skin plate kitchen that stands apart from our competitors. This new revolutionary product is highly durable, stain-proof from food, colors, scratch, and also weather, chemical, and heat resistant. It also comes in a range of exciting colors and with excellent finish. Apart from the skin plate kitchen, we are also manufacturing stainless steel, aluminum, MDF, PVC, and HPL kitchens and all types of wardrobes, dressing and makeup areas, and vanity counters with various designs and colors for the people with a different taste. We have a skilled team of professional craftsmen, designers, and in-house specialists who are ready to work from design to fabrication, along with installation and supervision. We really believe that customer is king and provide customer-oriented service where you come up with your requirements, options, and ideas. Our architects provide you detailed drawings and 3D images, giving you complete insight of your kitchen and wardrobes even before we start manufacturing. We are Marri, offering the best product within your reach. Marri Metal Kitchen Factory, LLC, near Caterpillar Signal, 2nd Industrial Street, Sharjah, UAE, 971-65325-748. www.almarrikitchen.com